Ready to make the cutest, comfiest wireless bra. Oh, and the pattern also doubles as a reversible swimsuit top. I'm using this mesh that I've been hoarding forever. I just have a few scraps left, and also this pretty lace that I'm not totally sure if it's going to work, and this micro mesh to line the front. First, we're cutting out our pieces, and the construction on this is a little bit different than the swimsuit top, so I'm just going to walk you through it. I'm using 2 layers for the front and 1 layer for the back, and I'm cutting out the darts on one of those front layers and leaving them in on the other. We're going to sew those darts up by encasing the bigger mesh into the smaller mesh. Once they're sewn up, see how it looks, we're going to pin our fabrics together, side seams, and also at the straps, which is a little different than when you're making the swimsuit top. Sew those up. You can also use a serger, but I made this entire top with my single needle, so don't be discouraged if you don't have a serger. Now I'm adding my lingerie elastic, and I'm barely pulling on it. You really don't need to pull much on this. It's really just holding it taut. I decided to use a different lingerie elastic for the bottom part. So there I am, sewing it on, doing a little zigzag stitch, and barely pulling on it, just holding it secure. And now we're going to turn those seams under, but first we're going to trim off that excess fabric. Next, we're going to turn the lingerie elastic towards the wrong side of the fabric, and I like to press my darts towards center back and my side seams towards center front. And you can also do a little top stitching there. I didn't, but I might experiment with that for next time. And I'm just adding a zigzag stitch here to close up those seams. It's time to add our hook and eye tape. Grab that hook tape and seam rip the top and bottom hook so that you have 4 left, and then hand sew the hem, or you can use machine, but I find my needle tends to break getting in the way of the hardware. Then make sure that your hook and eye tape is lining up, and you can hem the top and bottom of the eye tape with your sewing machine. Secure that tape onto the top. We're gonna turn up our stitch length and add a little basting stitch down the middle to get it secure first. And now I'm attaching the tape from the top and the bottom and then going down the middle. And I find it's easier to line up this way. Repeating with the eye and sew close. And this is the final result. She turned out so cute. Go grab the pattern at thisisrosiebarker.com. Please let me know if you have any questions, and like and follow for more bra making and swimwear sewing tips.